Intensive practice 5.1, question 5. Given that Sn is this formula, find the first term. Okay, the first term is basically the sum of the first term. S1 will equal to T1 because we are adding just the first term. So if you want to find S1, we just sub the n with 1. So this will be 2, 1 square minus 5 times 1. So this is just 2 minus 5, which is negative 3. Next, B, the ninth term. Okay, so this is the formula for the sum of the first term, first n terms. So if you want to find the ninth term, let's say T1, T2, T3, and so on, we want to find T9. What we can do is, we can find S9 minus off with S8 to get us T9, because we only have the formula for Sn. So you need to find the sum of the first 9 terms, and then you minus off with the first 8 terms, you will get the 9th term. So we can say T9 is S9 minus S8. So S9, you just have to sub the n with 9. This with 9. So 2 times 9 square minus 5 times 9. And then S8 will be 2 times 8 square minus 5 times 8. So we sub all this in our calculator. 2 9 square minus 5 times 9. We get 117. And then we have 2 8 square minus 5 times 8. We get 88. So 117 minus 88, we get 29. So this will be our ninth term. Done. Then we need to find the sum of the fourth term to the eighth term. Okay, I delete this first. So sum of the fourth term to the eighth term will look something like this. So T4 until T8. What we can do is, we find the sum of the first 8 terms, and then we minus off the sum of the first 3 terms, we will get this. So we do S8 minus S3 to get this one. So S8 is 2 8 square minus 5 times 8 minus S3. S3 will be 2 3 square minus 5 times 3. So 2 times, this one we already found out. Just now this is 88. S3 would be 2 3 square minus 5 times 3. This is 3. So 88 minus 3, we get 85. Done. That's it.